Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am featuring this Better Length wraparound ponytail. So the ponytail I'm showing you is their 3B3C Kinky curly ponytail. So I figured I'd give my hair a break from the wigs, the weaves, the clip-ins, and try something different. I've never done a ponytail on my channel, so let's get to it. Here I'm just putting my hair in a ponytail so that I can kind of mold my hair. My hair is already like straight, so I'm just adding this. It's supposed to be like a silk ponytail cream, but no. Would not recommend, especially if your hair isn't already straight. It kind of does nothing. But I've also stepped away from using hard edge control, so I don't use edge control like on my actual hair anymore. So this was something soft to use so that I can still kind of like, if I wanted to take the ponytail down, I'm able to like comb my hair back down. So here I'm just doing the things. I did let my scarf sit on my hair for about 10 to 15 minutes just so it could kind of dry because the product I used was semi-wet. So I'm just going to do my sideburns and my edges a little bit. I can't do a ponytail without doing that. So I did stop using the edge control on my hair, but I do still use it like for my sideburns and my edges. Sometimes it just kind of depends. It has to be like a cool environment because y'all know if like you're hot and you're trying to use edge control, it'll melt on your skin and then you're left like oily. So anyways, I'm just gonna braid my ponytail. I ended up repositioning my ponytail up a little higher, but same thing. So I just put my hair in a ponytail, braided it, and because this is a wraparound ponytail, the hair, once you insert the combs, you just wrap the ponytail around and it covers your ponytail or whatever, however you prep your hair, and then you just wrap the hair around. It has a velcro so it attaches and it's nice and snug, and then the extra hair covers the velcro. Literally so cool. And the velcro is some pretty strong velcro. Your ponytail is not gonna go anywhere. I shook and everything and the ponytail was secure. So here I'm just showing you guys the hair, and you just start wrapping it until you can't wrap anymore, and it'll literally cover the whole velcro band. And you also don't need to add, I guess you could add a bobby pin if you wanted to, but I just wrapped the hair until I ran out of hair, and that was secure enough. And this is what the ponytail looks like. This ponytail is 22 inches. It's pretty long. So also I did freshly wash my ponytail and I dyed my ponytail jet black. It comes like a natural brown color, I guess like 1B. So I did dye mine jet black, but here I'm just fluffing out the hair. If you don't want like a big ponytail, because the ponytail is full, it has a lot of hair on it, so I'm just fluffing it out to give it a more like fluffed up look. And as you can see, it got really big. So here I'm just brushing the hair out because I am also going to blow dry the hair and style it differently so you guys can see, like, you can wear your hair natural in this natural curl pattern, or you can blow dry the hair, you can straighten the hair because it is 100% virgin hair, or you can wand curl it, which is what I'm going to do. So here's what the hair looks like after it's been blown out, and then those are the curls that I've already done. So I'm going to show you how I achieved that look. Easier when you pin this to like a mannequin head or something. It wasn't the easiest to do standing up, but we did it so you guys can see how I got it done. Also, compared to other ponytails I've seen, this one has a lot of hair on this piece of fabric lace, so it's pretty full. I did end up blow drying the hair, and then I have like this straightener brush. I want to say it's like a straightener. It's like a heated brush. I use that after blow drying so I can get some of the density out of the hair. So that's how I got it as straight as it kind of looks. And then I just wanded it. I don't want the piece that I'm going to use to wrap around the ponytail because there's no need. So we're just wrapping this ponytail around. And I really like this low middle back of my head placement. It's kind of just like the perfect angle for a ponytail. So here I'm just showing you guys what it looked like from the back. realized I needed some hairspray back there. So I'm just kind of fixing those flyaways back there with a little bit of hairspray. And then I'm going to hairspray my whole head just for an extra little bit of hold. And this is a soft hold hairspray. So I can also comb my hair after the hairspray. It's not like a super hard, stiff, got to be type spray. So this is what our ponytail is looking like. I am going to go ahead and fluff the wand curls out too. I'm going to separate the curls because they're all clumped together to give it a bigger ponytail. I realized I like kind of big ponytails, so not necessarily big, I mean fluffy. I like a full fluffy ponytail, so that's why I like to fluff the hair out. And here I'm just showing you my ponytail a little higher up. That's why I said I like to use styling products so that I can like comb my hair after. I don't want a stiff hard base, if that makes any sense. So here, same thing, attach the ponytail, stick the combs in, and then we're just going to wrap the hair around so you guys can see different angles of the ponytail and how it looks. It's just, this is like a perfect length if you ask me. So I also want to show you guys how you can make your ponytail appear a little shorter, especially if you don't want to cut any length off of your ponytail. Like I like this ponytail has 22 inches. I don't want to cut it. So I just take a hair tie, put it like midway through. And as you can see, my ponytail is shorter. It also gives it a little more volume if you like that look. And then here I'm going to show you guys how I do my like bun ponytail situation. I also take another hair tie and I just make a bun, but I leave all of that bottom hair hanging out. Like this is kind of like my go-to look. I'll be sure to list all of BETTERLENGTH's info in the description box for you guys, as well as a direct link for my ponytail and all the other ponytail textures they offer. And I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.